Foot reflexology is an alternative medicine. It's based on the theory that on your feet you do have some pressure points that represent the part of your body, such like you can find stomach, you can find the liver, or you can even find the spine. Foot reflexology has the ability to stimulate the organ function, to increase the blood circulation, to eliminate the toxin, and as well to, of course, relax. Then it's important to know that foot reflexology doesn't need to be strong to be efficient. I had the opportunity to train young people to foot reflexology and as well to develop them. I wish the therapists will share their knowledge and that it will have a positive impact on the Vietnamese spa industry. And why not a spa award for best foot treatments?